Good morning, students. Sai Ram. Let us see the formative assessment of September month. Now, children, you have already finished a formative in the last month. Now, this is the formative of September month, and we are going to talk about EVS subject. Now, EVS subject has two sub-subjects in it, that is EVS 1 and EVS 2. And you have to give the formative of both EVS 1 and EVS 2. So, let us see in EVS 1 what are you going to do. Now in EVS 1, you have objective test of lesson number 4 and lesson number 5. Yes, children, you will have two lessons for objective test. Now what you have to do is, now the name of lesson number 4 is water for every household, and the name of lesson number 5 is water safe for drinking. Now what you have to do is, you have to refer to the PDF file which will be provided to you, and questions will be asked based on the given PDF file. Now your respective teachers will they will post a PDF file in your respective class groups. You have to refer those PDF images, wherein you have to refer the PDF images whatever is given to you, and objective type of questions will be asked based on it. Now what is objective type questions? Only objective, to stick to only objective type of questions. And what are those objective type of questions? Let me tell you. It is fill in the blanks, true or false, name the following, or answer in one or two words. You don't have to learn big answers. You only have to stick to one line, one word answers. So wherein we can ask you fill in the blanks, true or false, name the following, or answer in one or two words. Okay, so this is what you have to. So don't learn the pages. You just have to know, mark the important lines in that PDF file, or whatever you feel is important, any hard word which is important. Get help from your parents or your elder brother or sister too. Okay, it will be very easy for you. Only you have to, and questions based only on that given PDF file will be asked, nothing from outside. Is that clear? And how you have to submit it: time and date will be given to all, and roll numbers, and accordingly you have to submit your test on your respective class groups through WhatsApp image. So you have to just click the photograph of the test which you have attempted, and you have to send in your class groups. Okay, so time and date will be allotted to all the roll numbers, and according to that you have to submit your objective test of EVS 1 lesson number 4 and 5. Am I clear now about EVS 1? Now let us move on to EVS 2. Now EVS 2 is quite interesting. It will be based on lesson number 2, work of saints. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you will really enjoy doing it. Dress up like any one saint of Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra. Stick to Maharashtra, not India. Okay, because you have already learned your lesson number 2 of EVS 2, and you know who are the saints, so you can pick out any one saints from them, and you can become like that. Okay, dress up like any one saint of Maharashtra. Introduce the saint which you have become. Introduce means you will say, I am Sant Tukaram, like that. Okay, you will start saying by I am Sant Tukaram. Okay, and speak about the abhangas or shlokas of the saint in few lines. Okay, if he has said any shlokas, if he has written any abhangas, just say it in 2 or 3 lines. That's it. Or any of his teachings, like some saints have said, do not harm animals. Okay, love the nature. So like that, these are the teachings. You can take teachings in 2 or 3 lines, or you can take shlokas, or you can take abhangas, whatever you are comfortable with. Is that clear? So this is what, and see this is a video which I have made, so you just have a look at it.
Judges, teacher, and all my dear friends, I am Anaka Hemanjappa from 3rd A. I am Meera. I also called Meerabai. I am a devotee of Lord Krishna. मैं तो तेरी प्रेम दीवानी, मैं तो तेरी प्रेम दीवानी,
So this was just a demo for you how you have to do it. So you got it, you got an idea how you have to do, how you have to, this was girls can take an example from this demo, but even boys can, you know, whatever dresses are available at home, readily available, make out of that and, you know, perform it, and you will do it very good, I know that. Okay, and now how you have to send this, you have to make a video of it and send it in your respective class groups. Okay, just make a video of what you have become and just introduce yourself, say few lines of shlokas and abhangas and send it in your class groups. Is that clear? Am I very clear of both the formatives of EVS 1 and EVS 2? I hope you have understood what I have said, and all the best, and I know each and every child is going to take interest in it as it is very interesting, and you have to attempt it compulsory. Okay, because it is formative, it has marks for it. Okay, thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye, take care.